Roppongi Hills Illumination. Yan, good evening guys. We're here at Roppongi Hills Illumination. Ayan guys, oh. So, ayan, with Mami Cheche.
Hello.
Mas mo ka.
Oo, sakit sa ilong.
Ayan guys.
Sakit sa ilong ang
Ito natin na.
tulo ako.
Ito guys.
Mag-shop tayo sa puso.
And we're shopping at Gucci. Bibilihan ko si Mami ng ano dyan.
Medyas.
Daming tao guys.
Medyas na Gucci.
Super daming tao. Yan oh. So many people.
Let us see.
Oh, ganda. Ganda na walking. So we're here at Tokyo Illumination. Going up. May, ayun. Yan. Oo, nagsiga ang Tokyo Tower. So we're going there also guys for the Tokyo Tower. Oh, we're here on my favorite watch, the Rolex. And here's the Louis Vuitton. Bilihan ko si Mami dyan. Mamaya.
Ang medyas. Kabulto na Louis.
Ayan guys, daming tao guys. So this is the illumination.
Please cross! Please, man!
Please Mark.
You're right!
Right.
Telling you that!
Alright. So ito scenario dito guys. Pag mag-stop siya, pwede na pumunta dun sa harap. May police. So ito yung pwede pumunta dun sa traffic aid. Pwede na pumunta sa labas, sa street.
Only! Okay!
速やかにお進みください。
Okay! The sailor is turning right!
So this is the